Welcome to this training course on planning. My name is Amy from skilltex.com, and I will be your guide throughout this course. In this course, we will cover the basics of planning and provide you with the tools and techniques you need to plan effectively. But before we dive into the details, let's take a moment to discuss what planning is and why it is important. Planning is the process of thinking about and organizing the activities required to achieve a desired goal. It involves setting goals, prioritizing tasks, managing time, and monitoring progress. In other words, planning helps us to determine what we want to achieve and how we are going to achieve it. So, why is planning important? Well, there are several reasons why planning is important. First, planning helps us to be more productive. By thinking ahead and organizing our activities, we can make better use of our time and resources. Second, planning helps us to reduce stress. When we have a clear plan in place, we know what we need to do and when we need to do it. This can help us to feel more in control and less overwhelmed. And third, planning helps us to achieve our goals. By setting clear goals and developing a plan to achieve them, we are more likely to succeed. In this course, we will cover a range of topics related to planning. We will discuss how to set effective goals, manage your time, prioritize tasks, delegate responsibilities, monitor progress, and overcome common planning challenges. By the end of this course, you will have the knowledge and skills you need to plan effectively and achieve your goals. So, let's get started on our journey towards becoming better planners. In the next video, we will discuss how to set effective goals. See you there.